Hey, my name is John Ellison. I'm the founder of ReFi DAO, host at ReFi Podcast, and a massive fan of the community here at Traditional Dream Factory, checking in with some bite-sized nuggets around regenerative finance, community living, storytelling, and connecting with source. So looking forward to sharing some thoughts with y'all today.
Cool. So yeah, maybe let's just start with, let's dive a bit more into your background, like what where you come from, what was this interest, and yeah, maybe just tell us more about you.
Yeah, so I'm an American entrepreneur. I started building computers first when I was a little geek in my room, hanging around with video games, trying to make sense of the world with the internet, and started creating an e-commerce company that led to startups, code, design, networks, all of this incredible space. And I've had the great opportunity of building a bunch of different ventures since I was 16. Some of them failed, some of them are still here today, some of them have been acquired, and learned an incredible amount along the way, both as a founder and also as a product designer and product manager, kind of straddling that seat between business, technology, and design. And all throughout this time, I was living in different intentional communities. Basically, my entire adult life, I've been exploring how to live a different way that actually integrates our life in harmony with nature, as opposed to opposing and being a destructive force. I was very curious about how people could work together, live together, build eco-homes, and actually had the pleasure of building 2 different straw bale houses in my day. So not only just messing around with code, but also building structures of material value that reflects the beauty of the earth, and really sinking into that presence of nature and how it feels to be embodied in all her goodness. So I'm very grateful to have a lot of experience across the board. I built a civic tech company with an amazing team based in Berkeley, California, called Peak Democracy, that was acquired by a company called OpenGov. Trained with BJ Fogg at Stanford around behavior design. And I'm really a kind of ultra generalist, a jack of all trades and a master of none, really trying to be a master of myself at the end of the day. And I am also a father of 2 young boys. I've had the experience of raising children in community, growing my own food in a permaculture smallholding in the UK, tending animals, starting an organic farm. It's been really a diverse landscape of experiences that has led me to this place. And I really stumbled into the crypto sphere kind of by accident, actually. I had just sold my pandemic company, Goodery, which was a circular economy grocery store providing about 300 families with everyday essentials, fruit, veg, bread, tea, coffee, wine from a 30-mile radius around their homes in a weekly delivery round. And I was really frustrated with the challenge of working with bricks and mortars, and wanted to look at something that could enact change in a positive way for the climate, for the economy at scale in a shorter time frame. That's kind of how I stumbled on crypto and on the DeFi and then ReFi space, which has been a pretty epic adventure, which I'm happy to unpack a little bit more for those who don't know this space as well.